Alright, after the prep work is done with the centering of the rasters and rotating the yokes and setting the width, we can do something called convergence offsetting. And this is still before you get in with the cursor work. So with the position convergence button, you hit that and make sure you're in the XY registration, and then hit menu, and then you want option 1, which is going to set the offset for the color you're on. And since the text color is green, I don't want that, so I'm going to hit blue, and now I'm actually offsetting blue, and it's kind of like very similar to what we just did with the position of blue. As a matter of fact, to be honest with you, it might actually be the same thing as hitting the pause button and hitting blue. In any case, again, you're trying to get an equal amount of air on the top versus the bottom, and on the left versus the right. So you can just hit up, down, left, right arrows, and you want to get that as equally off as you can. Don't target trying to get the convergence right in the center. That's a bad approach. Do the same thing with red, so you can just hit the red button, cut off red, brings red back in, cut off blue, turns blue off. Hit the red button to turn your text color back to red. You're already in menu 1, so you can go up, down, left, and right. And you want your you kind of want the overall air to be spread across the screen equally. So what I'm doing now is I'm kind of just moving, and see how I'm getting it pretty lined up over here on this side, just by going up, down, left, right. But now that side is way off over there. You don't want that. You kind of want to go ahead and get an equal amount of air on the left side and the right side. Let me give you a closer up on that so you can see what I'm talking about. So over here, the red is off quite a bit this way, and over here, the red is off quite a bit equally this way. But overall, the amount of offness on both sides is about the same, and that's kind of where you want it. You actually want that to be off at this point. It makes it easier to fix when we go into the cursor convergence, which is what we're going to cover in the next set.